Hello my lovely kids, welcome back to our learning class. In the previous lesson, we learned G for grapes and H for hen. Today we will learn how to write letter G and H. So take your notebook and pencil, sit nicely and write with me. Are you ready kids? Okay, let's start our writing practice. Look kids, this is the letter G. Now I will show you how to write G. Step 1. Start from the top. Step 2. Make a big curve like this letter C. Step 3. Now add a small line inside. Great! Now we made the letter G. Let's say together. G for goat. G for goat. Now kids, trying to write G in your notebook. Very good kids. Now look at this letter. This is the letter H. Let's write it together. Step 1. Draw a straight line down. Step 2. Draw another straight line beside it. Step 3. Join both lines with a small line in the middle. Great! Now we made the letter H. Let's see together. H for hen. H for hen. Now kids, write H in your notebook. Excellent work. Now revision time. Let's repeat again. G for goat. H for hen. Practice writing these letters every day. Today we learned how to write G and H. In the next class we will learn new letters. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next learning video. Bye bye kids.